The primary objective for this project is to create ImageLab, an AI-powered desktop image editing application that aims to simplify the image processing experience. Suppose that I have a photo of Raffles Place, but I want to relocate the people in the image. The standard way is to do careful and tedious image editing. In ImageLab, I can simply click on the person I want and move them to a different location. I can also perform scaling and flipping on the different objects. Here's another example from NTU, where I can apply the same to the cars and buses in the image. Allow me to elaborate on how my application accomplishes this. In this project, I explored various computer vision techniques such as instant segmentation and image inpainting to automate the decomposing process entirely. So what is instant segmentation? Instant segmentation is a computer vision technique that's capable of detecting and segmenting objects in images. The role instant segmentation plays in ImageLab is to detect the objects and their boundaries before masking each of them into separate layers. Using the mask of the objects, we are also able to mask the object areas away from the background layer. Image inpainting, on the other hand, is the technique that is capable of filling in damaged or missing regions of an image with portable content. After obtaining the background layer during instant segmentation process, the image inpainting technique can fill in masked areas of the layer, thereby completing the background layer. These two techniques were designed to run continuously, resulting in an automatic generation of various image layers. With these individual assets generated, all the image layers are laid onto an editable canvas in the interface, allowing for further customization. As compared to typical image editing tools, it can be seen that the process of layer decomposition has been greatly simplified and replaced with the automated processes in ImageLab. With ImageLab, you will have complete control to manipulate the images as per your preference, carrying out tasks such as moving, scaling, and flipping. So now, let me bring you through a demonstration for ImageLab. To get started, you will first need to load an image from the Menu tab. So once the image is successfully loaded, a secondary window will appear, showing the objects detected. In this screen, you will be able to deselect objects that you deem to be part of the background layer, and they will not be segmented out as an object layer. After this step, the secondary window will close and the segmentation and image inpainting process will take place automatically behind the scenes. The decomposing process is then completed when the main window pops back up, and now you will be able to freely move the objects around. ImageLab contains essential image editing features such as moving, scaling, flipping, and rotating of the object layers. These actions can be done by interacting with the canvas or having integer inputs to the image property boxes. You can adjust the object layers based on the image perspective so that they can be more coherent. And if you come across unwanted pixels such as harsh shadows in the background layer, you can revisit and refine it by clicking on the Clean Background button. This step requires you to mask the areas, and the image inpainting will automatically clean up the area for you. The depth order of the object layer can also be adjusted. Once you're happy with the image, you can save it in either JPEG or PNG format back into your directory. Overall, I have successfully developed ImageLab, which helps simplify image editing processes, allowing users to recreate and manipulate images. Being able to automate complex image editing processes, I believe that ImageLab can help make image manipulation more convenient and flexible.